so you clicked on this video and before we get started, okay, let me break something down to y'all. Let me throw a disclaimer out there before we get started. You just started your wave journey, right? Right. You click on this video, you thinking that is gonna magically, you thinking you just started brushing a week ago.
Come on now, dawg.
You just started. You didn't skip by all the beginner videos and you just went straight to this one. Come on.
Come on, man.
It don't work like that. Come on, you got to crawl before you walk, bruh. That's the problem, y'all. Trying to take the easy way out. There ain't no easy way to get waves, bro. You got to work for it. You got to grind for it. Don't just click on this video because you see secrets. And now you thinking now, okay, there's something. No. You just started. Relax. If you just started a month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 6 months ago, this video technically is not for you. Even though you can watch and learn something, this is technically, because you're still at the ripple stage. Okay, you trying to get waves, okay? This video is more for the advanced, the people that have built their connections and they gotta be reminded certain things. And I know some of you are like, Jeezy, this is self-explanatory. We know this. You ain't gotta tell it. You ain't gotta say nothing.
You ain't gotta turn up, man. This ain't no...
Listen. There's people still asking how they get waves, okay? There's people still asking. With all the information out there, there's still people asking. So I'm not putting nothing past you. Stay tuned.
Where you get your beats?
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, so the secret is, alright, the secret ingredients to the Krabby Patty formula is, there is no secret.
Come on now, dawg.
Truthfully, there is no secret on waves, on how to get waves, on things that revolve around waves. Everything has been said already.
Come on, man.
But it takes some reminder. It takes some person to bring it back to light. Oh, snap, you right. That's right. You are absolutely right. I forgot about that. It takes us to make videos like that, to keep you up on game, to keep you fine-tuned, to keep your gears grinding. I don't know if this is grinding gears. I'm looking at myself right now in the camera and I'm thinking that this is more of a stirring the crock pot. So one of the secrets that I'm talking to you guys about, it's not really a secret, it's just a reminder. It's basically to start off where you left off. Now I know some of y'all is like, duh. No. See, some of y'all will take off the rag, all right, when you're woofing, and you'll comb out your hair, okay? There's people that's telling you comb out your hair after you take your rag off and go against the grain and then go with the grain. That is the absolute most negative, most backward information that anyone can give you in the wave game, all right? You don't wanna comb out your hair backwards, all right? You're messing up all the progress you started on the last session that you got in. Waves is about going forward, all right? Pushing those waves forward to your hairline, all right? If you have forks, if you have any connection issues, it's all about moving those waves forward. So anybody telling you to go backwards, I question their wave knowledge, all right? You listening to anybody that don't got dope waves, listen, I'm gonna need you to evaluate who you're listening to, all right? It's a lot of people out here giving information, and they don't got the proof in the pudding when the pudding is made, meaning they don't got the waves to back up what they talking about. So what are we doing? So for example, when I do my sessions, I basically pick up where I left off. I make sure that I'm very detailed about what angles I'm hitting, all right? If I started off hitting something in the last session, I'm hitting it in the same exact way, making sure that I'm brushing all the right angles in those areas where you see awkward bends, all right? Focus on those areas, attack those areas more than those other areas that you've been attacking. It's a problem basically in the wave game where we are used to brushing one side and one side only. You gotta get uncomfortable in order to fix those other sides. And I know that sounds self-explanatory, but listen, we all do it. In the comment section below, let me know, when you go to pick up your brush, what is the first angle you hit? Some people hit the top first, some people hit the right side, some people hit the left side, back, crown, whatever, all right? Whatever side it is, you gotta stop focusing on those sides. You gotta put that side aside. Put that side aside. I said it right? It's right. I put that side aside, okay? And brush those areas where you need work first, all right? That's where you're gonna progress. That's where you're gonna see the most results. Some would call it getting a quality session in. Make sure all your sessions are quality. You don't wanna just attack your waves and just start brushing recklessly. Nah, man. Actually pay attention to what you're doing with each session that you get in, all right? And I know, I said it before, it's self-explanatory. This stuff shouldn't be a secret, but you'll be surprised how many of us really pick up the brush and just be wild with it and just not really care. I mean, I'm hitting the angles, but I'm not really being precise. I'm not really paying attention to exactly how I'm hitting those angles every single time. You'll be surprised how many wavers are doing this. When you get to that level where you got 1 or 2 forks, 3 forks, you have to be precise. You have to start hitting those angles and learning your angles and just trying new things as far as the angle placement. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just gotta be very precise when you brushing your sessions. As far as me, when I get my session in, I start with my crown, my right side, then I go all the way around. But when I do it, I'm doing it in sections. I brush my crown area and I go only about 3 waves out, and I go all the way around my crown. Then I go on my right side, start brushing those. I'm not really brushing too fast. I'm at a medium pace. Then I start brushing my back angle, brushing my left side, then I work my way around my top. Now, how I finish my session is I attack my crown last, all right? I start with my crown and I end with my crown. Make sure you do that because the crown area is definitely the most sensitive area in all of your sides. Even when it comes down to detailing your crown, all right? Grab you a baby Trez brush, one of those toothbrushes, and really get around that circle area because that is gonna set you apart from just having an open crown, a loose crown, just a basic crown, and you can get that inner ring that you see here. Another reminder is to respect the journey. Now, don't be so eager to want to get back so quick that you're messing up on your angles. Moving at a medium pace, moving at a slower pace when you start getting those connected waves is important, all right? Don't rush the process just because you got a battle coming up, just because, you know, somebody may catch you, somebody is looking some type of way and you need to hurry up. Nah, man, be patient with it, respect the journey, enjoy the journey. Look back on those old pictures and realize where you came from, because a lot of us, we're so consumed with my waves aren't good enough, my waves aren't good enough, oh, it's not good, but actually go back on them old pictures that you got in your photo file, all right, and look at them old pictures and appreciate the whole full journey that you went through, all right? And lastly, just choose your brushes wisely, man. Don't be out here using all type of brushes, you know what I'm saying? Be consistent with your brushes too. If you use flats, stick with the flats. If you use curves, stick with the curves, you know what I mean? Don't be all over the place with your brushes. Stick to one and go in, all right? All right, so before I go, I wanna tell you guys about the Wave Game and just how to be a part of the community, all right? It's on Facebook, all right? And Instagram. I don't wanna count out Instagram too, but Instagram isn't really a closed group. It's more of kind of getting connected with individual wavers and coming together and brushing on live. But as far as Facebook goes, Facebook is a closed group community. It's a bunch of Facebook groups that you need to be a part of. The links to those groups will be in the description below. But the main two that I could talk about is Waves Are Life and Elite Spins, all right? Those are the 2 main pages that you need to be on. Once you go to those pages, you'll find out about all the other pages that you need to be on to be connected in the Wave Game. But this Wave Life is serious, okay? We don't play no games. We got teams, it's wave teams out there. We battle. It's this thing called Major League Waving that Jermaine Banks, Run Them Jewels Banks on YouTube. His link will be in the description below too. He goes live. He has a podcast talking about what goes on in the wave game. So make sure you look out for that, because that is where it's at, man. Especially if you want to be motivated as a waver and keep your waves and take your waves to the next level. These are groups and pages and things that you need to be a part of to get inspiration, to be inspired, and to also learn, all right? We kick out knowledge every single day on these pages. It's a little bit of drama. Don't get me wrong. It's always, you know what I'm saying? I'm not one to be like, hey, I don't want drama. Why y'all always doing this? Y'all need to stop talking about one another. No. Listen, wait a minute. The drama is needed, you know what I'm saying, on occasions, you know what I'm saying? So when people going back and forth, when they're keeping it wave related and they going back and forth, let them people talk, okay? Talk heavy, all right? Because we ain't just sitting up here brushing for no reason, all right? If my waves is better than yours, I should be able to say my waves is better than yours, all right? That's just what goes on in the pages. As a waver, we all really, you know what I'm saying? It's competition at the end of the day. So, you know, we all competitive, and that's just what it is, all right? You want to be a part of the wave game? Click the links in the description below. Make sure you go to 360GZ.com to pick up your brushes today. Medium, hard, and soft are on the website. More brushes is coming soon. It's your boy 360GZ. I'm out. Peace.
You